Hello everyone, welcome in this video. Today I will explain to you introduction of cookery. Friends, cookery is the most important part of food production operations. This is the skills of chef, how to decorate and how to prepare the dishes. So let's begin to know about it. Friends, cookery is defined as a chemical process. The mixing of ingredients, the applications and withdrawal of heat, decision making, technical knowledge and manipulative skills. In the more advanced stage, a further element occurs, that of activity. Cookery is considered to be both art and technology. Food preparation is a modern term in professional cookery. It's denote preparation and cooking. It follow a flow pattern which comes with the purchasing and selection materials, their handling, processing and the ultimate presentation of dishes to customers, where food service takes over. In French, the word cuisine denotes the art of cooking, preparing dishes and the place kitchen in which they are prepared. Friends, hence, although cooking may have once been considered a less desirable job, today chefs are a new breed, respected, even admired for their skill, craftsmanship and even artistry. Some chefs have received so much press coverage that their name are household word. The elevation of these states of chef help attract bright and tolerant people to the industry. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you know very well about cookery.